Pretty cool place. We're in the Secret Garden and the bird store and more in Sturbridge, Massachusetts. And we're gonna wait and see if the bird comes out of the cuckoo clock. The largest cuckoo clock in New England. So let's see what happens. We got about 5 minutes. So bear with me. It says you can go in here. Let's go check it out. Welcome to this come in. Pretty interesting looking in here. There's the clock up there. I'm guessing the bird hides out up there. We'll see. Let's try to get through this kind of quickly here so we can get outside for the bird. Let me know if you guys can hear me. I'm going without the extra mic today because it's broken and I had to return it. So I'm waiting on some new equipment coming in the next couple of days. So let me know what's going on, if you think things are good, just this way, just using the phone. Or I'll have my new equipment soon, so hopefully that'll make a difference. Let's see. I don't see anything up there. Kind of hard to tell. Never been inside a cuckoo clock. It's definitely a first. I'm gonna head back outside now so I don't miss anything. There's a store over there. I don't know if I'll go in there today, but I think we're gonna. There's the bird. Caught him just at the last second. A little early. But we got him. So that was the largest cuckoo clock in New England. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, share, comment, keep those beards growing. Thank you.